Hi everyone, so welcome to Sunya IAS. So guys, in this particular video we will discuss the feature of your new program CSET DPP, right? So this will be your daily practice program, especially for the month of March, right? So what we will be doing in this program, what will the features of the program, so the video will cater the demand of that particular questions, right? So this particular program will be having daily 20 to 50 CSET level, the upcoming advanced level questions, which we will provide you on the daily basis as per the given schedule. So you can find the schedule in your maybe Telegram channel or maybe on our website, right? So you will be getting those questions one day in advance, which you will solve, and then we will sit together and we will discuss them live at 8 p.m. on daily basis, right? Now with this program we will aim that we are able to get your entire syllabus revised at least 2 times in 1 month. See, CSET is all about practice, right? It is unlike GS where you need regular revisions. It's all about practice. So the idea line is you need to sit on daily basis with us at 8 p.m. to ensure that you are practicing enough in order to make yourself comfortable in the final CSET exam, right? So this will lead to reduction of your CSET phobia, right? You won't be much fearful of this particular part of your exam anymore, right? So that's the idea, and as I already told you, we will be covering 2 topics at least per day, right? For example, on day 1 we have planned 2 topics as average and percentage. Likewise, the next day we will be covering another 2 topics, right? And so on, right? You can check the schedule and get some idea over the same. Now let me give you some idea on our team. So the team will be of IITians, so that we can simply cater your demands, we can simplify the concepts, and we can make your CSET a lot more easier, right? So basically we will refrain ourselves from using any sort of formulas, and we will be reaching out to topics like the answers without much use of formula. So 12 to 15 questions on daily basis we will be practicing. We will be having the live practice session at 8 p.m. daily as per the given schedule. You can download the schedule from our Telegram channel, right? Or it is also given on our website. Then with this course we will aim that you are revising your entire CSET at least 2 times in 1 month through questions, right? So there may be doubts, sir, whether you will teach us about the concepts or not. So let me tell you very frankly, the classes won't be focusing upon the basic knowledge or basic concepts, but it will be more oriented toward the practice, right? So you should read those concepts in advance and then sit in the class, right? So we will be covering 2 topics in the day every day, and as I already told you, since the team is strong enough, we will be referring ourselves to use any formulas, right? And we will be focusing more upon the concept so that you are confident enough in the final exam, right? So let's see you again. See you daily at 8 p.m. in this particular course, which is named as CSET DPP, right? Now in order to subscribe, what you can do is you can go to our website www.sunyais.com. On this particular website you need to go to the tab of videos. Under the tab of videos, go to CSET, and under that CSET go to program CSET DPP, daily practice program, and get yourself registered. Thank you.